Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kama uja watch my previous video of my salon day, kindly go and watch, subscribe, comment, share, and you like guys. Guess how is my hair? My hair is 3 days old now. Asioni kama bado iko na shida. How do you think my hair is? It's 3 days old. Kama uja watch your video, go and watch that video and like, share, subscribe guys. Continue subscribing. As you can see guys, I'm heading out. By the way, nimekuwa na issue moja ya electric kettle. Na buy electric kettle inakaa 3 weeks na rest in peace, naendea ingine, the same thing happened and I'm like, okay, what is not happening? So acha niwaonyeshe. Hii ndio ilikuwa ya kwanza. So nilikuwa natumia hii at least ilikaa mwezi. Kajaribu kutengeneza ikakataa. Kanunua hii ilikaa 3 weeks kaharibika. So as we talk now, right now here, sina electric kettle. Someone recommended me ile ya birika. The birika wale, kama mnaijua. So naenda Kamukunji kutafuta hiyo birika thing. I hope itaniserve sababu hii kununua electric kettle kila wakati is draining by the way. So let's go guys. Remember to keep tuned. Sitaweza kurecord nikiwa huku sababu ya security issues na bado sijui inaweza ibiwa. So kindly let's go together. I'll come in the evening, show you what I got guys. Subscribe. How do you think my hair is by the way? 3 days old. I'm in love with it. So guys, bye bye. See you in the next video.
$2,000 years later.
Hello guys, welcome back again. Aki ndio narudi from Kamukunji. I have my package here with me. Are you ready to see it guys? Let me just show you the package. This is the package. Ndio nilikuwa naendea na nilipeleka Kamukunji. This is the package here, as you can see. It's well packaged. Na inachukua 4.5 liters. I got it at 3,000 bob. Let me unbox it with you so that you can see what I have gone for. I'm recording this at 7 p.m. I've just entered the house. I'm super tired. I'm so tired. Hii ndio nili yake. Here is the whatever. Here is the kettle guys. For 3,000 bob. Ndio niliambiwa is the best. So let me try this one. I hope it serves me for the next 1 or 2 years. 3,000 bob. It's a nice one. Can't complain. Let's see how it works. So that is all I had for you. At least I'm happy I've achieved what I had gone for. I have achieved my objective for today. Though I'm very tired. Nimezunguka huko sana. But guys, that was all I had for you. I didn't get anything else, but I was only going for that one. So let me rest. Have a good night. Let me see you in the next video. Continue subscribing. See you.